welcome back to the channel. So today I am just doing a quick glam, my daily makeup routine of what I do. Doesn't take that much, maybe about 5 minutes, so let's get into it. So I usually do my eyebrows, so I have my mirror right here. This is something that you guys should invest in. For those, it's a little bit dirty, but it's my mirror here. I got this from Amazon, and it's it has 3 different sides to it, so it opens 3 different ways, as you guys can see. And it has 4 mirrors, so it has the main one and 2 other ones, and these ones they zoom in, and this one. So just a little bit of yeah, beauty thing to tell you guys. So I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows, and I find it works wonders because the lighting on it helps, and using my ring light and just regular light, it helps even more. So I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows. Yes, and I just take a brown pencil, so you guys already know how it is, and just do it, and then I just shade it in a bit, and then I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and fix it. Yeah, so this is just, like I said, it's my everyday makeup I go to, or just that simple quick look, especially like when I'm in a hurry to go somewhere, or like even to do like a video like I have to do after this. So that is the whole reason as well. So I'm doing my quick and easy, and I just take my spoolie and I go in and I just buff it out. I thought about microblading my eyebrows, but that's almost like you tattooing your eyebrows. Would you guys ever do something like that? Go in and tattoo your eyebrows? Me, I'm not a big fan of needles. Never been. So, but I was like, ooh, just that scraping on my skin. So let me know in the comments below if you guys would ever get your eyebrows microbladed, or do you have your eyebrows microbladed? So I'm just doing this. Alright, so quickly, and don't worry, I'm gonna clean them up. So I'm gonna go in with my Cool Tan. So I use a lighter tone under, and this is just like my everyday natural winter makeup look. And I use different foundation as well, like in the summertime as well. In the wintertime, you just want like more like a cool natural look. You don't want nothing too dramatic. In the summertime now, you can do like a pops of color, just to add that little flair. So that is what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to clean up these brows. Yeah, and like I said, if you guys do your brows or makeup different, definitely let me know. I'm always open to suggestions and tips. I always say you're never too old to learn, and plus I just recently got into makeup. I never really was that much into makeup to that. Still not fully, just enough to get by. So that is what I'm doing. Oh, I'm just here, and like I always do, I smooth it out, because at times too, when you don't want to wear no foundation, you can also do this and just do your eyebrows, and you just have to make sure that the concealer really blends out on your face so you can actually just wear your eyebrows and nothing else. And I'm gonna go in with my Fawn, and this is from what, LA Girl Pro Concealer. So it's not that expensive. I have expensive and non-expensive makeup, so I generally use both. And you find that sometimes even using cheaper makeup does the trick just as much as the expensive one. So it's always good to have a variety, I believe. So just draw this line here, fix this. Okay. Oh, let me draw that back. Draw that bad boy back. So like I said, gonna be real quick. We try to see if we can get this makeup done under 10 minutes, but I'm sure I could get it done. I usually, when I'm doing my makeup, like especially if I'm in a hurry and I'm doing like a quick makeup, I could get it done in under 10 minutes. Definitely get it done in under 10 minutes. So, but we'll see how good this one turns out. I got a couple of videos that I have to film today, so that is the whole reason too that I'm getting this makeup done. So don't mind if y'all see me in the same shirt. I'm not in the mood of to go do a switch up too much today. All right, so see, simple as that, and it's done. All right, so what I'm gonna go in, so like I said, I'm doing a quick, my natural everyday makeup, and I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. This is my shade is 420, so that's my winter color, and I go in with it, and I love the way this thing oxidizes on my skin. Like, it just looks flawless. Well, when I really sit down and take the time to do it, it just looks flawless. So I'm just gonna go in, and I usually, like I said, I dab my makeup into my skin. And I usually put it on the back of my hand, and I dab and go in. Okay, yeah. But the thing with this is you kind of have to kind of hurry up when you're using this, because it oxidizes really quickly on your skin. So you want to make sure that you don't put it on and just leave it. You want to make sure you don't put it on and just don't leave it. So oh man. And I use one pump, but I might need a little bit more. I might need a little bit more. Sometimes I could get away with one pump, sometimes you need a little bit more. But I try not to pump a lot because it comes out so much. So see, when you pump that way, you pump halfway, you don't get that much. You get just enough, but I should have pumped the full pump. I would have had a good amount come out. I would have had a good amount come out. Okay, so I love when this oxidizes on my skin. It just gives that nice. But my NARS one, woo, my NARS foundation, and that my NARS foundation is for my summer foundation. That foundation I love as well. But yeah, I love the Fenty Beauty as well. Big up Rihanna, you know, big up Rihanna. See, And look at that, I could literally just go and I'm done because I don't really need anything else. As long as my eyebrows is set, I got a little foundation, your girl is good to go. Okay, so since your girl is keeping it simple, I'm debating whether to go in with this palette or this one. So let me see which one to go into. See, this one got a lot of nice neutral colors, which I love. I tend to usually use this one a lot. This one, I haven't really tried this one really. I used it maybe once. So, and then this one has like a few odd colors, but if I'm gonna use this, I would probably go in with, what is this? Madagascar. So let me try Madagascar and see how Madagascar holds up. So I'm just gonna do, see, when I use a little bit, you get that darker, you get that natural earth tone brown over your eyes. So, but your girl's not done there. Switch it up a little, and I'm gonna go in with my other palette. So this one is the Warrior by Jovia. I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm just going to go. Do you see the color? So it's a different, total different color. I'm just gonna go over it. I'm just gonna use this one. So I was gonna do the two-tone, but I changed my mind. I'm just gonna go over. Not gonna do nothing too dramatic, and that's it. This one I gotta fluff out a little bit more. A whole heap of product on there. All right, so simple as that. All right, so I'm just gonna go in now and just gonna do my mascara, and your girl face is pretty much quick and easily beat. And this is something easy for beginners, somebody that's just starting out to do makeup. So I'm just gonna do my mascara. Let me hold this thing here. So it's less time, so you could see my eyelashes, and I didn't fluff them that much, so I just made them quick and simple, just an easy look, and that's it. That's it. So if, oh sorry, I forgot to mention the palette that I went in is, this is the Nubian 2 by Jovia. So that's the other one, and I used the Madagascar out of this one for those that don't know. So yeah, you can check them out. And then this is the other one, and I love the packaging. Like on these, the packaging is on point. Thumbnail. Yeah, the packaging is on point, and I love it. You know, it's nice to see women of my color and shade on here looking all natural, you know, and you know, I just love it. So I love seeing that. So big up to you, Jovia. So yes guys, so that is it for my quick normal winter routine. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. As you can see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and watch. Come over here and, you know, let's have a party. I hope you guys like the video. This is just a very quick video of how I do just my natural routine of my hair, well, natural routine of my makeup. So the next video, I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.